first, fingers crossed, as we link our party here in Edinburgh Castle's Great Hall, the masked choir outside in Princes Street Gardens, and most importantly, you at home. I'm sure you know the words. Listen out.
Happy, successful, prosperous New Year to you, your family, and to everybody who's close to you.
And all the very best for 2006. Cheers.
Happy New Year and all the best to everyone for 2006.